डू यू गाइस नो हाउ गूगल वर्क्स? आप तो टेक्नोलॉजी के आदमी हैं, सो टेल मी हाउ डज गूगल वर्क? अभी आप लोगों की दो मशीनें खुली हुई है ना, बाजू में बैठे हो ना दोनों के दोनों, कोई भी रैंडम वर्ड आप बोल दीजिए, एनी रैंडम वर्ड दैट यू वांट देम टू सर्च ऑन, कॉमन इजी रैंडम वर्ड कोई, ओके एनसाइक्लोपीडिया जरा आप कीजिए, दोनों के दोनों एनसाइक्लोपीडिया को सर्च कीजिए. Two gentlemen sitting here, both of them for such a common word like encyclopedia get different results even when they are physically sitting in the same environment, are probably somewhere in Bangalore, are doing a similar kind of course, have been brought up in India, are probably mostly from South India region, and yet how is it that it is giving a different result? But go back to an encyclopedia of 50 years ago, 30 years ago, 20 years ago when no internet existed. आप encyclopedia कोई भी रेफर कर लीजिएगा, एप्पल का मतलब सेब ही होगा. आज की तारीख में आप सब के सब टेक्नोलॉजी के हैं, अगर एक भी आप में से आर्ट्स की साइड का होता, शायद आप अगर करती हैं अपनी मशीन में, तो हो सकता है इनका 90% ऑफ अस विद द सर्च वर्ड एप्पल वुड हैव गॉट एप्पल आईफोन, एप्पल आई डोंट नो समथिंग एल्स, बट यू वुड हैव प्रोबेबली गॉट इफ यू वर नॉट सो मच इनटू टेक्नोलॉजी एप्पल का सेब से रिलेटेड चीजें. सो गूगल इज प्रोफाइलिंग ईच वन ऑफ अस वेरी वेरी क्लियरली एंड वेरी हैवी ड्यूटी. अब बंद कर दो यार मशीनें, आप लोग मस्त हो गए, मैंने देखा है. विल यू गाइस शट इट डाउन नाउ? ठीक है. So they are profiling each one of us on 57 parameters on the basis of which they know anything and everything about us. And that's when they say Big Brother is watching, and that's when Google had to declare that Google is not evil. If you believe in that dieting does not lead to becoming slimmer, you will be fed that kind of news more often. And if I believe that dieting will lead to becoming slimmer, I will be fed that kind of news more often, right? And this is what leads to creation of what is known as information bubbles, right? What is in the current modern terminology being called as bubble economy, right? The point that is being made is it is very important to become aware, especially in today's technology age, when all of us have already outsourced part of our intelligence to Google, Srimati Google. We have to become aware of the fact that we are being served things which we are wanting to believe in. It is in fact worse than the church, because this is where missionary forces are at play in trying to decipher you with every single move that you are making on any of the devices that you are carrying where you are connected to the world.